As we continue to board Caribbean Airlines flight BW415 service to Port Station, then we notify customers in groups 1 and 2 to board at this time. As we continue to board Caribbean Airlines flight BW415 with service to Port Station, then we notify customers in groups 1 to 3 to board at gate 3 at this time. As we continue to work, Caribbean Airlines flight BW415 with service to Port of Spring Trinidad, we now invite customers in groups 1 and 2 to board at gate number 3 at this time.
You can use Best Western No. Use Allen Edward. No, use ALLEN at EVON. ALLEN Hospitality.
So people, Vybz Kartel got spotted boarding a private jet with Saddam. So apparently people, it seems Vybz Kartel finally I go elsewhere to get himself checked out, right? It seemed like in Jamaica him not really get the things that we're supposed to get for better himself. So the man a fly out to go get that treatment there. Cause people been a tell Vybz Kartel say why him not look about himself, and so the man finally a do that. And when Vybz Kartel they just got out, him did I say to the people them say the money when take pay off the lie and them thing there and come back a road come make it and see it that the man a fly out. So we just have to pray for Vybz Kartel, you know, and I wish him the best of health. So people, what do you think say Jamaican people alone going bad? But obviously not so, because a brawl happened in the Turkish parliament over ousted MP. So people, I'm not sure what got down, but as you can see the video, it did heated bad, because you know see how the man fling the next man over one part. Well people, I just have to laugh because it's funny bad man. Because in Jamaica, you know, so them things here always a go down, argument are going in the parliament thing. You get what I say? But for them people are literally a fight and a go on bad. It's serious people because I don't know what kind of conflict them have make that go down. Well people, that's it for the video. Just like it up and share it up and leave a comment down below on what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.